today's lesson, we're going to be learning about place values before the decimal. So in other words, whole numbers. All right, so let's get straight into it. For our first example, we have 5,125. So again, if we refer back to our place value terms, which I wrote under the number, we have reading from left to right, the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. So we start at this 5, the 5 that's written above the thousands place, that would be 5,000. We have 1 written above the hundreds place, so 100. Then we have the tens place, so that would be 20. As an example, if we have 4, 40, 5, 50, and so on and so forth. So this is 2, so 220. In the ones place, we just say that number as it is. We have a 5 above the ones place, so that's just 5. So 25. So the whole number is 5,125. So the second example that we have is 3,964. So again, let's go ahead and break this down. We have our place value terms. We have the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place, right? So if we're looking at this number, 3,964, we're going to start with the 3. Under the 3, it says thousands. So it's 3,000. The 9 has the hundreds term, place value term under it. So it's 3,900. And then whenever we have our numbers in the tens place, so for instance, we have 6, so that's 60. If we had a 2, that would be 20. If we had a 4, that would be 40. So we have 60. And then any number that we write in the ones place, so the 4 is in the ones place, is we just say that as it is. So we would just say that as 4. So it would be, we have the number in the tens place, which is 6, so it's 60, and then the ones place is 4, so 64. So if we put that all together again, we have 3,964, and that's how we would say that number. So let's look at more place value terms, going up to the millions place. This is a much bigger number. Like I said earlier, we're going to be going all the way up into the millions. So with this example, it's going to be a bit more complex than our previous example because we're going past the thousands. So we have our ones place, our tens place, our hundreds, thousands, then we have our 10,000s, 100,000s, and our millions. We use place value terms so that we know how to say the number, because without place value terms, we just look at this long number and read it as it is, 2,145,901. Number is 2,145,901. And we know that because of the place value terms that I wrote right under them. So again, the 2 is written right above the millions place value. The 1 is written above the 100,000s. The 4 is written above the 10,000s, 5,000s, and then the 9 is hundreds, 0 is 10, and the 1 is ones. All right, so we're gonna go over one last example just to make sure we get it. You don't get it or it's not clicking, ask questions down below in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. But for the last example, we have another big number. And again, why do we use place value terms? So that we know how to say the number, especially for when we have examples as big and complex as this. We don't want to just say the number is 1078111. This number is 1,578,111. I know, a big, massive number. Wait, before you leave, go ahead and check out these lessons up above. You can watch this lesson, or you can watch that one, or you can watch both. Oh, and while you're at it, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do so by clicking out of this video and hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.